Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix the robotic voice glitch in the Hogwarts Legacy. So I will show you the three methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So in our first method we need to check that if the audio settings in the gameplay is perfect. For this you have to just open the menu and then click on the audio settings, and then by clicking on the pitch option you have to just move the slide towards the left or the right. After setting this you have to just check that if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then you have to just move to the next step. For this you have to just open your run box by pressing window plus R at once, and then search here for devmgmt.msc and then click OK. And perfect, you are here in your device manager. Here just click on the option sound, video and the game controller. Expand this option and then you have to just click on the driver that you are using for your audio in your PC or laptop, and then right click on it, click on the update driver. And right after that you have to just click on the search automatically for drivers. Wait for the searching, and yes, your audio driver has been updated. And then close these windows and reopen your Hogwarts Legacy. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. If not, then you need to verify the game files. For this you have to just open your Steam library, and here you have to just right click on the Hogwarts Legacy, click on the properties, click on the local files and then click on the verify integrity of game files. After this hopefully your problem will be fixed. Last and the final solution may be that you have to just uninstall your Hogwarts Legacy and again install it. Doing so hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.